here is Travis. If you guys want to hold a kitty, just let me know. And my favorite thing about Larry is he has a little bikini. His white spots are like a little bikini top and bottom. Oh, it's so cute.
Could you do that again?
You have a little bikini.
Oh, he does have a bikini.
So our 15-minute sessions are open for anyone who wants to come in and hang out with the kitties. We know that the fire has been very stressful. Even if you haven't been personally impacted by it, you're totally welcome to still come on by and hang out with the kitties. It's definitely stressful for everyone keeping track of the fires, even if it's not directly affecting them at the moment. I know, she's such a good girl. Wants to sleep. Yeah, so as you can see, we have some very sweet kitties in here, and it can just be a really peaceful and de-stressing experience to come hang out with the kitties. It's also just a great way to get people's minds off of what's going on at the moment in LA, and it's a great way to help socialize our kitties, so we really appreciate people who come in and hang out with them. She is gorgeous. She's actually our longest resident with her brother, Crumbs. Oh my goodness. You guys are so cute. Are you having some sibling time, snuggling?
Everyone needs to de-stress right now with everything going on. Just like cuddle some kitties.
Yeah, it's just, I think it's very intense times. So definitely to caress kitties is the very good solution, I would say, right now.
Picture for the website. Yeah. Oh, good boy, Larry. Good boy, Larry.